Hello everyone, this is Karen. Today let's make something special. I'm making a 108 prayer beads with Jadeite for my customer, and I will also make a simple design prayer beads with this handmade tassel. Yeah. Natural Jadeite healing stone is associated with your fourth chakra, the heart. And the Chinese medicine proves that Jadeite has the benefits of calming the heart rate, lowering blood pressure, and stabilizing your mood. Yeah. So when you often wear Jadeite bracelets on your wrist, the trace elements contained in the Jadeite can be inhaled into the human body through the skin so as to balance the imbalance of yin and yang and qi and blood. Because the friction between the Jadeite bracelet and the rich skin tissue can soften the skin cells and help with your body's metabolism. And Jadeite is a product of the nature. It absorbs the natural energy and contains the best of heaven and earth. They are so pretty. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.